Hi everyone, I'm Binu and I'm back with a new lesson. Friends, I really assume that you are going to have some amazing time with me. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. In the previous video, we had already learned how to use am and is. But in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use are both as an auxiliary verb and as a main verb. So before we go through a lot of examples, let's first understand the basic rule. Please look at the board. Are is used only in the present tense, and we use are if the subject is you, they, we, or any plural noun like Ravi and Maya. Okay, please repeat after me. You are, they are, we are, Ravi and Maya are. Is that clear? Again, it should be noted, when we use are as a main verb, it shows the state of the subject. Okay? I mean condition, feeling, identity or quality of the subject. Take a look at some of these examples. They are farmers. The first example, they are farmers. Here are is not an auxiliary verb, it is a main verb. Okay, it is a main verb. It shows the state of the subject. Okay, again, they are my teachers. Here are is not followed by any other verb. Okay, it plays the role of the main verb and it is connected, it is the only verb connected to the subject, and again it shows the state of the subject. Likewise, you are a student, you are decent, we are late, we are friends. All these sentences show the state of the subject, and all the sentences are in simple present and they are all positive sentences. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences. Making negative sentences is very easy. We simply add not. Okay, then it becomes negative. Now how can we change these sentences into negative sentences? They are farmers. Okay, when we change this sentence into negative, it becomes they aren't farmers. They aren't farmers. Friends, it should be noted, in the negative form, are becomes are not or aren't. Okay, in spoken English, we often use the shortened form or the contrast form. Okay, it should be noted. Now, change this sentence into negative. They are my teachers. How do you change into negative? Yes, they aren't my teachers. They aren't my teachers. Okay, you are a student becomes you aren't a student. You aren't a student. You are decent. Yes, tell me. You aren't decent. Okay, we are late. We aren't late. We are friends. We aren't friends. I really hope you understand this part. Now, let's learn how to use are as an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb helps the main verb. Okay, let's go through some examples. Repeat after me. You are, they are, we are, Ravi and Maya are. Are auxiliary form. Okay, let me write the first example. They are watching TV. Okay, next one, you are writing a letter. Let me write the next one. We are cooking dinner. We are cooking dinner. Next one. They are washing our car. They are washing our car. Friends, take a look at some of these examples. Okay, here are is not a main verb, it is a helping verb or it is an auxiliary verb. Okay, what is the main verb here? Watching. Okay, so in the same manner, you are writing a letter. Here are is an auxiliary verb, it helps the main verb. Okay, we are cooking dinner, are is helping the main verb. They are washing our car. Here washing is the main verb and are is the helping verb. I really hope you understand this part. Now change these sentences into negative form. Okay, we simply add a not. See, listen. They are watching TV. If you want to change this sentence, we can write like this: they aren't or they are not. Okay, aren't is the shortened form of are not. So they aren't watching TV. Likewise, you are writing a letter, you aren't writing a letter. We are cooking dinner becomes we aren't cooking dinner. Next one, they are washing our car. Now when we change this sentence into negative, they aren't washing our car. Friends, I really hope you understand today's lesson and find it very useful. If it has been very helpful, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. I will be back soon with another lesson. Till then, bye friends.